All right, our big focus on Mirror now has been the farmer agitation that's underway in India. The fifth round of talks between the centre and farmers remained inconclusive on Saturday. The government offered to bring in changes, but farmers are determined. They have refused to relent. They've hardened their stand. They want the laws to be rolled back. They want nothing less than a complete rollback of all the three contentious farm laws. The next round of talks is likely to be held on December 9th, which is after the Bharat Bandh called by these farmers on December 8th. Various farmer groups will also be meeting today to discuss the way forward. And we'll cut across to Times Network's Shireen, who's reporting on this story from Ground Zero.
Expressing their anger towards the government. So, of course, we have to see how this conversation, this dialogue between the farmers and the government goes on, because 9th December is when once again a sixth round of talk has been called by the union government.
All right, let's also listen in to Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar on that contentious issue.
एमएसपी पर किसी भी प्रकार का खतरा और इस पर शंका करना बेबुनियाद है, लेकिन फिर भी किसी के मन में कोई शंका है तो सरकार उसका समाधान करने के लिए पूरी तरह तैयार है। हम लोग चाहते थे कि कुछ विषयों पर स्पष्टता से कुछ सुझाव हमें मिल जाएं, लेकिन बातचीत के दौर में ये संभव नहीं हो सका। अब 9 तारीख को पुनः ये बैठक होगी।
नहीं 9 तारीख को कहा हम एक ड्राफ्ट बनाएंगे, बेहतर ड्राफ्ट देंगे आपको। हाँ। और जो आपकी भावनाएं हैं हम उसको कवर करेंगे।
राज्यों से मतलब सरकार अभी स्टडी करने राज्यों से कोई चर्चा करेंगे, ऐसी कोई बात?
ये भी कहा उन्होंने कि राज्यों से हम चर्चा करेंगे। कंसल्ट
एमएसपी को लेकर जो आप लोग कह रहे हैं,
एमएसपी पे भी चर्चा हुई है और सारी चीजों पे चर्चा हुई है एमएसपी पे भी, और पूर्ण रूप से कहा कि पहले बिल पे बात कर रहे, जो 3 वापसी ले ले, फिर एमएसपी पे बात हो जाएगी। और भी बहुत सवाल है।
तीनों बिल पे जो वापस की बात है वो 9 तारीख को होगी क्या?
होगी 9 में बात होगी।
इतना लंबा समय 4 दिन का
हो जाएंगे, कोई बात नहीं, हमें क्या कहीं को जाना। आ गए किसान तैयारी के लिए, आ गए।
They propose to hold a meeting day after tomorrow on 7th.
You?
They,
okay.
But from our side, people said that you can take 1 day more.
Okay.
Then 1 day more means it's 8th. On 8th, there is a India Bandh.
Okay.
Bharat Bandh.
Okay.
So 8th, they said, let you come on 8th. Okay. Then we said we can't come on 8th.
On 8th.
So it was extended to 9th.
Okay.
Because for 2 days, for tomorrow and day after tomorrow, they will send a proposal to us, and we'll discuss that proposal and finalize for the 9th of for 9th of meeting.
So government is going to send you the proposal related to today's discussion.
They committed to send the proposal, concrete proposal regarding this repeal of the laws, acts, and what type of proposal they send. On the basis of that, we will decide.
Government today also insisted upon to amend these laws.
Yes,
they were insisting again.
They insisted again and again and again. Where we started our protest, we went into a silence. Say मौन, जिसको मौन
yes and no वाला आप जो
मौन व्रत में हम बैठ के, we didn't speak at all. They tried us to speak, we didn't speak, and finally they went out, came after 15 minutes and told us now the agenda is focused on the repeal of the acts. So the government will decide for the whole day tomorrow, and they will send a proposal tomorrow in the evening or day after tomorrow.
Right, for more on this, let's cut across to Times Network Shireen, who's reporting from the Burari ground.
They have decided to be accommodated in their own tractors and trolleys that they have bought in. They have been saying that they don't want any sort of arrangements that has been done by any sort of political parties, because they believe that this is not at all politically motivated and they don't want to politicize it at all. When we talk about Singhu border as well, we have seen a number of political leaders who have in fact reached there, but all of them have been denied access farmers to the stage. The farmers on Singhu border have made it very clear that they are not allowed, the politicians are not allowed to get on the stage or to give any sort of speech. So that is the kind of guidelines that they have put. They don't want these farmers who are coming from Punjab, from UP. They have made it very ample clear from Haryana as well that they don't want any sort of politician to try to spin this spin or try to give it a different angle. We will also try and speak to farmers over here. कल जो बीजेपी काफी लीडर्स हैं जो बोलते हैं कि कहीं ना कहीं ये पॉलिटिकली मोटिवेटेड है, राजनीतिक है और जो लीडर्स आते हैं वो अपनी रोटियां, राजनीति वाली रोटियां सेकते हैं यहाँ पे।
ਉਹਦਾ ਜੀ ਮੋਦੀ ਦਾ ਹੀ ਸਾਰਾ ਝੂਠ ਮਾਰੀ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਜੀ। ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਆਪਦਾ ਖਾਣਾ ਜੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਦਾ ਖਾਣਾ ਆਪ ਨਾਲ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਏ ਆ। ਕੋਈ ਸਾਡੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਕੋਈ ਲੀਡਰ ਪੱਖੀ ਬੰਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਜੀ। ਸਾਰੀ ਇੱਕ ਕਿਸਾਨ ਜਥੇਬੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਜੀ। ਤੇ ਇਹੀ ਸਾਡਾ ਆਪਦਾ ਖਾਣਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਪ ਪਕਾ ਕੇ ਖਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਜਿੰਨਾ ਚਿਰ ਮੋਦੀ ਮੰਨਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮਨਾ ਕੇ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਜੀ।
आपने कोई किसी से किसी भी पॉलिटिकल लीडर से कुछ नहीं लिया, आप कुछ बोल रहे हैं?
ਅਸੀਂ ਜੀ ਨਾ ਦਾ ਆਪ वाले ना कादियां ना कांग्रेस हमारे इस ग्राउंड में आने नहीं देते, बाहर ही भेज देते हैं। हम इस ग्राउंड में किसी भी लीडर को बढ़ने नहीं देते। हम किसान हैं, किसान ही हैं, सभी किसान है ये।
So they are saying that they are farmers and this movement is going to be led by farmers only. They are not going to allow any political leader to come over here. We have even at Burari ground, we have seen Congress and Aam Aadmi Party coming over here. They have set up their rasois as well.
All right, thank you, Shirin, for that update on the big story that Mirror Now has been focusing from day one, the farmer versus government standoff. As far as the latest laws are concerned, the farmers have maintained a maximalist position, not refusing to budge unless these laws are rolled back.